morning, everyone. Thank you, Coach Gina, sa mga announcement mo kanina. Napakaganda. No? So, wait lang po. Mag-share lang ako ng stacking slide. Asan na ba yun? Ayan. So, kita nyo na po. Coach Gina, meron na?
Wala po. Ayan si paki ano na lang, paki full
Ayan.
screen.
I-ano ko na lang. Ayan. So,
Yan.
ready na po ba? Ayan. So, ang aking topic for today is how to take care of your hands. Ito pong article na to is from Herbalife Ireland. So, napakaganda nung inaral ko to, nung binasa ko to. Oo nga, no? Lagi natin itong nane-neglect. But before that, let me share my story. Ayaw na. Wait lang. Ayan. So, I'm Cherry Ludi Guzman from Sukat, Parañaque. So, ginamit ko po yung product initially for weight loss. Nag-try ako for 10 days. Na gustuhan ko po yung aking result. Nag-lose po ako ng 4 pounds. And consistently, correctly, ginamit ko po yung products. Dinire-diretso ko po siya. And amazingly, nag-lose po ako ng 36 pounds and 5 inches in my waistline. Ayan. So, I am 59, turning 59 po. 1 week na lang, 59 na ako. So, ang nagustuhan ko po dito sa ating product, nung nag-change ako ng aloe tea and shake as my breakfast, gumaan na po ang aking pakiramdam at my age, wala po akong maintenance medication. And ang favorite product ko po, aside from aloe tea and shake, nandyan yung NRG, Cell Complex, vitamins and minerals, fiber bond, fiber and earth. So, halos lahat po talaga tinatry kong matake yung product kasi alam ko marami akong benefits na makukuha doon. And not only me po, but also yung aking na-learn ko dito sa community natin na napakaganda at napaka-importante ng nutrition sa family. So, na-share ko rin din po sa aking family. Ang background ko po is dati po akong businesswoman for 17 years. Ayan. So, ang nature ng business ko po is distributor po ako ng soft drink sa aming area dito sa Fourth Estate, Parañaque. So, kumikita yung business pero napaka-stressful pala kasi nga nandyan yung stress, wala akong freedom of time, yung mga due ko ng mga checks, lagi kong pinoproblema yan kasi nga yung mga boy ko na basta masyado siyang stressful for me. And grateful with Herbalife kasi dito ko nakita at dito ko nakita talaga yung solution. Why? Kasi nakuha ko yung freedom of time ko na hinahanap. Kasi nung may business ako, wala po talaga akong time sa sarili ko, sa family ko. May mga occasions, hindi po ako nakaka-attend. Kasi gusto kong ma-focus yung business. Gusto ko tong lumaki. So, thankful talaga po ako sa community also sa atin dito sa VNC, especially itong VNC kasi dito ko na-learn not only about health and wellness but also papaano mo ba dito ko na-develop yung positivity. Siyempre marami naman tayong challenges, wala namang person na walang challenge, di ba? Pero dito ko po natutunan, dito ako nag-grow yung spiritual ko na paano siya i-handle ng maayos. So, even if I have challenges, so dead ma lang. Ayan. Nakangiti pa rin because of nutrition. And hindi lang po yon, nakita ko yung business side. So, kinontinue ko po siya. Nag-attend ako ng mga trainings. Sobrang grateful po ako kasi nakita ko yung future dito na pwede kang mag-share, pwede kang makatulong, yung purpose na hindi lang sa financial but also yung makatulong ka na paano ba ma-improve at ma-educate yung mga kasamahan mo, kaibigan mo, kakilala mo, na paano nila ma-live yung best life nila sa Herbalife. That's why I really, really love Herbalife. So proceed na po tayo sa aking topic. Ayan, our hands are constantly exposed to elements that strip away protective oils. Alam niyo po ba na over time, ating everyday pala, ang ating hands work tirelessly every day. So yet, they often receive yung least na attention. And more often, we focus on sa ating mga face, pagka meron tayo na nakwentuhan lang tayo or may makita tayo sa social media na paano mapapaganda yung ating skin, paano to magiging glass skin daw, paano to magiging flawless. If kaya ng budget, talagang ginagawa natin yan ng paraan. But our hands come into contact with so many substances. Nandyan yung soap, and detergent to shampoos, yung water, cleaning products, and more. So ito yung mga nakakaapekto bakit ang ating bakit yung moisturize na yung ating hands is nawawalan siya ng nagiging dry siya, hindi siya nagiging maayos, no? So here ang 7 steps to help you take better care of your hands. So pag-usapan po natin, ano po ba yung mga steps na yan? So number 1, don't overwash. Ayan. So it's so important to wash our hands. Di ba lagi din yun ang ating tinuturo sa ating mga anak. Dapat daw properly and regularly, every time tayo from CR, ganyan, or kung ano man ang hinahawakan mo, is kailangan mo talagang maghugas. While proper washing is necessary, pero yung overexposure sa water should be avoided. Kasi yung water natin, di ba, may mga nakahalo rin dyan na chemical. So frequent hand washing, especially with harsh soaps, yung mga matatapang na sabon, it strips away essential oil sa ating hands, no? And naglalid ito sa dryness, na nagkakaroon tayo ng cracking, napapansin nyo po yun, and irritation. So this make your skin more vulnerable sa mga infection, and it is good idea na pagka mag-wash ka, let's say naghugas ka ng plato, ganyan, especially tayo mga mommies, dapat gumamit tayo ng gloves para ma-protect natin to. Kasi yung ginagamit nating soap yung ating mga dishwashing soaps, matatapang talaga yan. And kung ikaw naman ay maglilinis ng sink, ng tubs mo, ng toilets, no? So dapat talaga meron din tayong gloves na sinusuot para ma-protect natin yung ating hands. Ayan. So, tip number 2, rethink bar soaps. Ayan. So, sabi nga po, bar soaps are great for our body, but not when it comes to washing our hands multiple times a day. Totoo nga naman, ano? Kasi normally, guilty ako dyan. Minsan yung bar soaps ang ginagamit ko talaga na panghugas ko ng kamay ko, no? But, look for hand daw, sabi niya, look for hand cleansers that are sulfate-free. Ayan, dapat pag bumili tayo, tingnan natin yon kung dapat sulfate-free siya. Then, kung free from antioxidants. So, dapat meron doon tong vitamins and merong natural ingredients. So, ano yung mga ingredients na pwede mong hanapin when you buy? Nandyan yung aloe vera, meron dapat daw na olive oil and shea butter to provide your skin with much needed moisture. Ayan, yun yung mga ingredients na pwede nating mahanap muna sa grocery kung bibili tayo ng mga ganyang gagamitin natin kasi mas malaki yung maitutulong nito na moisture maayos at maging makinis or ang ating hands, no? So, tip number 3 na tayo. So, tip number 3, keep moisturizer handy. Ayan. So, applying hand cream is a must. Must daw yan when taking care of our hands. Make it as convenient as possible so you never forget. So sabi po dito, keep a tube of hand cream next to your sink. Dapat meron kang naka-ready dyan. Your bedside table bago ka matulog and in your purse. Kung ikaw naman ay nag-gym, dapat meron ka rin yan sa gym bag mo or on your desk kung ikaw ay nasa office. And even in the cup holder of your car. Kasi syempre, di ba mapansin mo pagka na-expose yung kamay mo sa araw, nagda-dry yan eh. So agad, lagyan mo siya ng moisturizer. So, pagkahugas natin, ang maganda palang application is after washing, pat skin dry, and then apply your hand cream. Agad-agad. Huwag mo nang patagalin. And then, this is the best way to lock in moisture and get soft, silky skin. Ayan. So, pagka ikaw ay naghugas, agad meron ka. Kaya kailangan ready ka agad na yung ating mga lotion diyan para naman hindi mo makalimutan. Dapat lagi mo siyang nakikita para every time na mag-wash ka, syempre, yun na kaagad ang mafa-follow mo. So tip number 4, take extra care. Sabi dyan, taking extra care of your hands means going beyond basic hygiene and actively protecting and nourishing them. So, syempre, especially kung panahon ng taglamig, 'di ba? Yung mga ganyang season, yung cold air and even the wind can dry and dehydrate our skin. So during the colder months, diyan pumapasok kung ikaw naman nasa ibang bansa or nag-travel ka, dapat meron ka talagang dala na pang-moisturize ng hands mo. Kasi during the colder months, make sure that you always wear gloves. Yan, isang protection yan. Mag-wear ka ng gloves then whenever you go outside. And then, also wear gloves when handling harsh chemicals. Pag ikaw ay nag-garden, yung activity mo is gardening, no? Yung mga plantita girls dyan, plantitas mommies, kailangan naka-gloves ka rin para hindi ito hindi ma-irritate yung skin mo and hindi rin siya madadamage. So next naman po, tip number 5. Ayan, wear SPF. Alam niyo po ba, napaka-importante nito. Why? Did you know that our hands can reveal our age? Alala ko sabi ng aking Chinese friend, sabi niya, we can cheat our age with makeup. Ganun pala yun. But our real age will be revealed by looking at our hands. So, take note ha, hindi lang face lang talaga dapat ang ating i-look after, but also ang ating hands. Kasi dyan nakikita kung gaano na yung edad ng isang person. So, isa pala yan sa madidetermine kung ikaw ba anong edad mo na. No? So, look after them by cleaning, hydrating, and protecting them with plenty of sunscreen. Ayan. Kasi yung suns, UVA and UVB are damaging and can burn and age our skin. So the skin on the back of our hands, dito sa likod ng ating hands, no, are very delicate pala yan and prone to sunspots. So remember to keep them hydrated, well protected when driving. So pag nagda-drive ka, syempre naka-expose ka ganyan, no? Kung ikaw ay nagbabike, same thing din. And even gardening din, katulad ng na-mention ko kanina. So applying SPF daily helps prevent signs of aging and maintain a healthy skin barrier. So look for products, ayan, that offer broad spectrum protection with SPF of 30 or higher. So, meron tayong product, di ba, sa Herbalife. So, yan yung gamitin mo rin, hindi lang yan sa face mo na pang sunscreen, but also, alagyan mo rin yung hands mo every time na lalabas ka. And then, every 2 hours or more, frequently when exposed to the sun or sweating ensures optimal protection. So, every time na, orasan mo, ate ka lang. Kasi alam ko na-discuss na ni Coach Tin dati, yung SPF, paano mo mako-compute, no? So, balikan lang natin yung kanyang computation, na-recall ko yun eh. May computation siya, paano ka, kailan ka magre-reapply. And paano mo gagamitin yung based dun sa SPF natin. Okay, so tip number 5. Ayan. Nighttime is the right time. Yan pala yun. So, a good hand care routine starts at bedtime. So, sabi nga po, keep a tube of hand cream on your bedside table and apply it before you go to sleep. Kasi yun yung pala yung pinakamaganda na every time na bago ka matulog, kailangan i-moisturize mo yung iyong kamay. Add this simple step to your evening routine and you'll wake up with beautifully soft and hydrated hands. Ayan. So, yan, wag niyong kalimutan yan, girls. And sa lahat, hindi lang girls, syempre lahat din tayo, no? Even yung mga boys dyan. So, kailangan din maganda yung hands mo. So, next is, don't forget to exfoliate. So, help your hands look and feel rejuvenated with a quick exfoliation once a week. So the next time, di ba, tayo nag-exfoliate tayo na ating face. And then, use a small amount of the same product to gently scrub your hands. So, pwede ka rin, isabay mo na once a week or twice a week, mag-exfoliate ka para matanggal yung mga bad skin natin dito sa kamay, no? So, wash, then pat dry with a towel and moisturize. So, yung extra tip dyan is use extra hand cream na mayroong ingredients na olive or coconut oil and massage mo daw sa cuticle mo. So, yan po yung ating 7 tips. And great news, syempre, meron tayong Herbal Aloe Body Care dito sa Herbalife. So, andyan po yung ating Herbal Aloe Hand and Body Wash. So, paano mo ito gagamitin? Pwede mo yung isa of bar soap, gamitin mo na yan sa when you're taking a bath. And then, for pagka ikaw naman maghuhugas ng kamay, maglagay ka dyan sa sink mo ng ganyang tube. And then, throughout the day, gamitin mo yan every time ka na mag-wash, no? So, may ingredients siya na aloe vera, olive oil derivatives, foods, and apple-derived amino acids. So mabibili mo po ito sa iyong account, or if hindi ka pa naman member, you can ask your coach na napakaganda kasi ng product na yan. So bibili ka rin naman ng other product, why not ito na lang? Kasi alam natin na maganda sa ating kamay. So we also have herbal aloe hand and body cream. So syempre after mo mag-wash, ito naman i-moisturize mo na siya by using our herbal body aloe hand and body cream. No? So pwede siya sa body, pwede rin yan sa hand. So meron siyang aloe vera, shea butter, and sunflower seed oil. Okay. And then we also have this herbal aloe soothing gel. So apply daily as needed. Ito po kasi napakaganda. Pagka nakita mo na dry na yung skin mo, mag-apply ka talaga nitong ating soothing gel. So meron siyang aloe vera, glycerin, and chamomile extract. Ayan. So, ito yung perfect body routine natin, morning, afternoon, and evening. Let us all cleanse, moisturize, and hydrate. Yan po. So, lahat ng product na yan, bibili natin sa ating account. So, huwag natin bumili sa labas. No? So, gamitin na lang natin yung account natin. If you are a discounted customer, mas mababa po yung price niya. So, starting today, let's all take care of our hands. Let's be consistent. Kasi nga, dyan makikita yung, nag-matter talaga sa akin yung makikita mo yung aging ng isang person sa kamay daw natin. Kaya tuloy na-conscious ako. Ayan. So, thank you, thank you. I hope you learned something from my topic. Back to you, Coach G.
Ay, grabe. Thank you so much. Ako din, nile-neglect ko din yung